All right, here we are again. When you want to save a document, let me go back here. Here's the question again. Let me save this one. When you want to keep the document for a long time, you need to save it. When you save a document for the first time, you need to find Save As. So go back into File, and then Save As. And let's see here. Go to the File menu and click Save As. I've done this. As you save, notice three things: the file extension, we put on the desktop, the name, and the location. Look, it's automatically done this for me because I did it already. So it's Robert's document, but quite often it'll say document. So you might want to change the name. So let me open up a new full file because that is misleading. Don't save. Okay. All right. Let me open it up again. Here it is. There's a new document. I'm going to write a bunch of things in here. Now I want to I have a new document, Save As, and I want to put it, there's this PC, and I want to put it on the desktop. And look, it's chosen whatever I wrote in the front, but that doesn't make any sense. So I'm going to say, right, Robert document 2, because it's the second one I've done today. Okay, so I have Robert document 2, then I click save, and you will notice there's docx. That's the type of file it is, a docx. That's the most common one, and Microsoft will automatically save it as docx, so you don't have to think about it very much. But some people might want a different format, so I'm just going to tell you some other formats. There's a lot of them. So there's a regular document, docx, most people use. Here's Word 97 to 2003. That's really old. They have an old version, and they can't open docx, so they have to get .doc. And then you can save it as HTML, and there's one PDF. You can save it as PDF, but then it's hard to write on it again. Here's another universal thing called rich text format. So if somebody has another program, they can open it. Okay, so there's a lot of choices here, but the most common one and the one that you need to worry about is docx. Okay, I just want to tell you about the other ones just in case you see them in the future. Okay. And a file extension is a group of letters that will help you know a computer file was made in Microsoft Word. So if you see docx, you know it was Microsoft Word. Also, your computer knows. Your computer looks at these last three letters and says, "Oh, I know what to open that with because it's doc. It says docx." Okay, so you only have to choose Save As the first time. So we did Save As and Save. Okay, now we're going to add some things to it. And now I don't have to click Save As anymore because it already has a name, Robert Document 2.docx. So I'm just going to click. You can generally see this up here. Save. There, I saved it. If I close it and open it again, I can see where to go. Comes right back up. Okay, and I make sure you give it a good name so you can remember where it is. Now I have one more thing to talk about, which is important. So let's say you have this document and you like it a lot, or let's say you have a resume. In fact, let me bring up a resume. Okay, here is a resume I made a few years ago for Gonzales Unified School District. Okay, so I saved all this, and I wanted to be a K through 12 independent study teacher. Okay, let's say that I want to apply to a different place, and I don't want to change all of this, and I want to keep this one in case Gonzales calls me. Hey, Mr. Bishop, can we talk to you? So I want to keep this one, but I want to make minor changes for another school. So let me click File, and I'm going to click Save As. And let's put it in, my documents is a good place to put it, but let's put it in